recently we moved to a new house, and in the bedroom we have only one outlet that is behind the bed. So I decided to purchase this one because I need some outlets next to my bed so I can reach it and charge my phone and other stuff. And I like that this outlet, it has a flat surface and it's small so it doesn't bump against my bed. So as you can see, it has retraceable cord. It's about 4 feet, and to trace it back you need to rotate this top part. Here you have 3 USB ports. 2 of them are USB type A, the third one is USB type C, and you have 3 outlets. Here's more description. I think it's perfect for my needs. 5 out of 5.